Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to install Ubuntu server on Dell 5577, this method will work on other PCs too. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Ubuntu download. Click on the first link. Click on Alternative Downloads. Standard Downloads. And now click on Ubuntu server and download the image file. Search for Rufus download. Download Rufus Portable. I am moving downloaded files to desktop. Open Rufus. Insert your USB, make sure to back up as it is going to format it. Select the image file downloaded earlier and click on Open. Do not change other settings. Click on Start. Continue with the recommended settings. Click OK to continue, it will take some time to get finished. Let's get to the third part, which is to make space available for installation of Ubuntu. Right-click on this PC, click on Manage. Open Disk Management. I will use my unallocated partition for Ubuntu. If you don't have free space, you can shrink any volume where there is space available. I will prefer minimum 30 GB. Enter value and click on Shrink. Let's close this window and move to next step. Turn off your PC and keep pressing F2 on your keyboard until you will get into BIOS. This key function will vary from PC to PC depending on the manufacturer of product. If it doesn't match, just Google it. Keep settings same as in my case, make sure to disable secure boot, save and exit. Keep pressing F12 for boot menu. From UEFI options, select USB. Boot and install with HWE kernel. Install. Select language, region, and other stuff. Connect your PC to internet using USB tethering or direct LAN cable. I am using USB tethering. Enter any host name. Enter username and password. Yes. Unmount partitions by clicking yes. Click on Manual. Now select the partition, cross-check, and make sure it is the right partition. Select ext4. Format partition. Mount point. Root file system. Provide with any label. Apply these settings. Select Finish Partitioning and write changes. Yes. Leave proxy blank and wait until it gets completed. No automatic updates. Select Open SSH and continue. Time to remove USB, continue. Will get restarted, continue with first option. Enter your username and password. Let's update it. Type sudo apt-get update and press enter. Followed by sudo apt-get dist upgrade. Click Y. Again, same stuff. Clear. You need to log in again. Update once again. Type sudo taskcell. Check Ubuntu Mate Desktop, open SSH server and basic Ubuntu server. It will take time, so be patient. Let's now install NVIDIA drivers. Type sudo Ubuntu drivers devices. Or you can add this PPA for drivers first. Choose driver version. I am going to install 390. Type sudo apt-get install NVIDIA 390. Press Y to continue. After the installation is complete, type sudo apt-get install dkms build essential to make sure dkms is up to date. One last time another update command. Followed by upgrade command. Time to shut down the PC. For that, type sudo shutdown R now. Wait for a while. If above command doesn't work, or if the PC gets stuck, long press power button. That is my favorite. Continue with first option. Bye.